Hi guys, how is it going? It's Sabi here again with another new video. So in today's video I will tell you that how to find a code for your TV brand if you want to pair your universal TV remote with your TV. So to pair a universal TV remote with your TV, you need to press the code of your TV brand, whether it's LG, Sony, Philips or whatever. So in today's video I will tell you and I will show you how to find that code. Before going into telling you to find a code for your brand of TV, there is a link on the screen you can see right now. This link is for the video I made some time ago for how to pair a universal TV remote with your TV, whatever the brand it is. Please watch this video, and it's a very simple to easy understand video. You can be able to pair your TV with the universal TV remote after you watch this video. Okay, so now let's go on to the code. So on your TV instruction, on your universal TV remote instruction manual, in the setup section you will see it says if the brand of your device is shown in the simple set picture pointing to a key, you can use the simple set system described in the section. Please locate the brand of your device and note the key associated with it. So here are the codes, as you can see, for each TV brand. For Bosch it is 1, for Grundig it's 2, for JVC it's 3, for LG it's 4, for Panasonic it's 5, for Philips TV it's 6, Samsung 7, for Sharp the code is 8, and for Sony it's 9, and for Toshiba is 0. In the same instruction manual it says that if the brand of your device is not listed in the simple set feature, you can set up by trying codes individually. To do this, firstly locate your brand in the code list. Codes are listed by brand and device and in the order of popularity. So here are the codes for all the brands of TV. And as you can see, I'm onto the instruction manual, and at the end of the page of this instruction manual, the code for, let's say, LG TV. So all these different brands and all these different codes, as you can see. So for LG TV there are multiple codes here. You can choose any one of them. The first one is 81840 and then 18604397. So you can press any one of those codes to pair your universal remote with your TV. And as I said, if the brand of your device is not listed in the simple set feature, then you type those codes which I just showed you. But if it's listed, then all you need to do is these are the codes for your TV. And in the video I made some time ago for pairing a universal remote, my TV was LG, so I pressed 4 to pair it. Alright guys, so here is the direct link of that instruction manual. In the URL address box you can see, so you can type exactly this address or copy paste it onto your URL address box and then enter, and then you will get this instruction manual. And in this instruction manual you will get all the instructions to pair your universal TV remote with your TV, and all the codes you need for your TV. Alright guys, so I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest upcoming videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.